So in this video we've got a practical problem we're going to model using simultaneous equations. So it says tickets at a theatre production cost £30 for the stalls and £25 for the circle. The total from the sales of the tickets was 17,250. If there are 3 times as many seats in the stalls as in the circle, how many seats are there in the theatre? So what we've got to do is we've got to form some equations. So we're going to let x be the number of seats in the stalls and y the number of seats in the circle. So forming simultaneous equations. So for each seat in the stalls I sell, I'm going to get £30. So it's going to be 30 times x. And then each number of seats I sell in the circle, I'm going to get £25. And therefore the total number of sales will be all of that, and that will be 17,250. Now at this stage, if we can simplify the equation, it's a good idea. Well, we see that these are all divisible by 5, so dividing everything by 5, we're going to get 6x plus 5y, and if we divide 17,250 by 5, we're going to get 3,450. We're going to call that equation 1. Now, it says there are 3 times as many seats in the stalls as in the circle. So, x, the number of seats in the stalls, must be 3 times the number of seats in the circles. So, we'll call that equation 2. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use the method of substitute. Substitute 2 into 1. So, we're going to put 3y into this. We're going to get, into this one. So, we're going to get 6 times 3y. Plus 5y is equal to 3,450. 6 times 3 gives me 18y plus 5y is equal to 3,450. Adding those together, it's going to give me 23y is equal to 3,450. Dividing both sides by 23, we're going to get that y is equal to 150. So, substitute into 2, if we substitute that into 2, we're going to get that x has to be 3 times 150, which is 450. So we should just do a little check now in equation 1, this one here. So doing a check in 1, we're going to get 6 times 450 plus 5 times 150, and that gives me 3,450, which is what I wanted it to be equal to, so we're okay there. And therefore, we wanted to know how many seats were there altogether in the theatre. So the total number of seats in the theatre, to make sure we answer the question, is going to be x plus y, which is going to be 450 plus 150, which is 600 seats. So this has been a video to show you how to use form and solve simultaneous equations to model a situation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you for watching.